Alright, so the exhaust that I got, we're not carb legal here in California, so I had to go back to the old cats, stick them on. Issue is that these studs, super hardened, rusted inside, broke the studs when I took them off. So what I'm going to do is shave them down. I could drill them out, but I don't want to waste a bunch of bits, so just cut them down. Cut that side down too, but cut them down, and I'm going to go ahead and use the plasma cutter. Draw some circles in here, boot them out, just throw some bolts. So, got to do that to both sides, and yeah, see how that goes. Trying out the new cutter. Alright, so there's an update. Did the plasma cutter on the cats. This is what we got. Not pretty, but I got holes, and there's a decent enough clearance for the gasket to seal, so I'm happy. Stick these bad boys back on. Here's the other one. That one's butchered, but hey, she's gonna be fine. She's gonna be fine. So today, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna stick the cats back in on the Xterra here. And just aired down to get it in the garage. I gotta take off that lower plate again, and I can't even see, but yeah, gotta get the new cats, or the old cats, back in and past Smog. And I think I'm gonna, well, we'll see what happens with this, but stay tuned. That's the update. Alright, here's the aftermarket one that I had to take out. There's a pre-cat, and then there's the post-cat. Got that out, and the new one, time to put the new one in. But yeah, dude, this is not cool. I didn't have to take out the armor plate, which is nice, but it's still a little tight for sure. Working on your butt, dude. So here we go. Put it back in, driver's side. Alright, got it all in. This is the passenger side. Driver's side's also in. So, here we go. And this was the end that I had to go ahead and do a plasma cut, so you can't even tell, and it's on the outside of the cat, past the O2, so we're good. Let's see what happens next. Smog it. Alright, so we're going to start a major project on this thing. We're going to sass it. We're going to put an Atlas in it. Get rid of the IFS. Get rid of the leaf springs. But I need to fit it inside my garage. And without inflating the tires, it just does not want to get in. So I'm probably still going to have to deflate the tires a little bit. But I'm going to go chop the front of the roof rack up a little bit to give me some more clearance. That front part, you can see it stands a couple inches tall. So I'm going to cut that front bar, make it straight instead of angled up. And hopefully that'll maybe deflate the tires a bit and get it right in the garage. Alright.